Hey folks, my name's Gabe. I'm here with Southwest Florida Auto. Today I'm going to be showing you this Toyota Sequoia. It's a 2002, overall in fantastic shape. It's got third row seatings, super clean inside and out. The interior is in absolutely mint condition. The exterior is in great shape as well. There's no major dings or dents with the exception of a few minor flaws. No issues mechanically whatsoever. It's 100% ready for the road. So I'm just going to do a quick walk around video here today to try to alleviate any questions or concerns you might have about this vehicle without actually having to be here in person. Start here in the front. You can see everything lines up perfectly. All the headlights, blinkers and fog lights, everything works. The grille looks great. Moving on down the side, the rims are in good shape. It's got pretty much brand new tires, so you don't have to dump a whole bunch of money into new tires after purchasing this vehicle. The roof rack is in great shape for storage or kayaks, whatever you need to store up there. You can get the job done. I'll get a shot of the undercarriage now. You can see this is in fact a rust-free vehicle. You got your tow package there, your light set up, you're ready to roll. And the V8 engine has the power to get it done. Very sharp car. Sequoias have an absolutely tremendous reputation just for lasting forever and being reliable vehicles. The interior is super clean. Like I stated, no tears or stains, anything of that matter in this vehicle. Access to the third row seat is easy as that. If you need to get in further, just pull that lever and the seat lifts up all the way. Pretty cool. Headliner is nice and tight. All right, door panels are in great shape. Starts up, no issues. Idle's nice and smooth. I'll go ahead and put my seatbelt on. See if there are no lights on in the dash. Revs up beautifully. All the buttons are fully intact. The radio works. AC blows ice cold. All the automatic windows work. It's just a very, very good condition vehicle. It's absolutely mint condition for the year. Idle's nice and smooth. The belts are in great shape. Get the focus in there. Sorry about that. There we go. Still no. Okay. Well, the engine is super clean. The belts are in great shape. It's got a newer battery. Idle's nice and smooth. You can see going right here. I'm not trying to hide anything. No weird noises. We service our cars 100%. All the fluids, everything like that. We really try our best to put a good product out there. Giving people good, reliable vehicles that they can count on for years to come. We have a great reputation that we've built. You can check it out online, and we've tried really hard to build that reputation, being a good, doing good business here in Southwest Florida. If you're local here in Southwest Florida, feel free to stop by and give us a visit. We're off of Palm Beach Boulevard. As a landmark for a reference, we're right next to the Taco Bell. If you're not local, feel free to visit our website, swflauto.com, or give us a phone call at 239-691-3123. Thank you.